Hey everyone, this is Jonelle with the Picker's Palace, back with another tip for the PhotoPlay explosion boxes. If you notice this, it's the middle piece of the explosion box. And one of the things that seems to cause a lot of confusion are these little tabs. They are extender tabs, and they are meant to make this pocket just a little bit wider. So what you'll want to do is when you put your tape all the way around in preparation for finishing this box, you then take the extenders, fold them in half and put tape on both sides. Position it so that they open into the box, and that way when you fold it up and finish it, this little fold goes over the extender, and check it out from this angle. Look how nice and wide that box slot's gonna be. That allows you to put bigger items in this part of your explosion box. Now, this is completely optional. If you don't think you're gonna want a wider thing, maybe a card, a little gifty thing, whatever, just skip this piece. It's completely up to you. It's just there as an option. When you open your kit, you'll have these extender tabs. This is what they look like. Remember, everything is done with that knob, that folded side up, this little bump side up. You're gonna put tape on both sides, and then you're gonna fold this, and again, it goes right here to extend it. Now, let me show you one that doesn't have that expansion piece in there, and you'll notice, look how tight this one is. There's no room. It'll barely have a card, like a credit card or a gift card in there. It's a real tight fit. So you see that expansion piece really does make a difference. Now, while I'm working on this, I want to show you one other little tip. You'll notice that's a little bit, I cut that out with scissors. When you go to put your cardstock over this center piece, use a 1-inch circle cut to match that rounded area to the piece of the box. If you don't have a circle cut, don't race out and buy it. As you can see, I cut my own. All you need to do is use that as a template, cut it with scissors, and then you've got a perfect fit for the center pieces of your box. Okay, my friends, this is Jonelle back with another tip for the explosion boxes.